Hello and welcome to Noble Learners, an online tutoring platform spreading knowledge. So we are going to discuss one more question, which is based on the double angles. So in question, they say that there is sin x and sin x is equal to 3 upon 5 and x is in quadrant 2. Okay. The x is in quadrant 2. This is the first quadrant, this is the second card, like quadrant, this is the third one, this is the fourth one. So all sugar tea coffee is the formula you have to understand. All sugar tea and coffee. So in first quadrant, everything is positive. In second quadrant, sine is positive and the reciprocal of sine is cosecant. These two are positive. Then in third quadrant, tangent is positive and its reciprocal cotangent is positive. And in fourth quadrant, cosine is positive and its reciprocal secant is positive. This is the concept you have to understand. Okay. Then they're asking that you have to find the value of cosine 2x. Okay, this is what they're asking for. So let us understand, this is a very easy question. We have to make a triangle first of all. And the triangle what we are going to make is having an angle x over here in the second quadrant. And the sign is given, so you already know this is going to make adjacent, this is going to make opposite, this is the hypotenuse. So you know SOHCAHTOA to a formula, so SOHCAH is SOH, so sine stands for opposite over hypotenuse. Very simple. So opposite is going to be 3 and hypotenuse is going to be 5. And similarly, if you see, this is 5. And similarly, if you see, this is going to make 4. If you use the Pythagorean theorem, then you are going to get the value of this one, the adjacent, which is going to make 4. Okay. Now we need cosine 2x. So what is the formula of cosine 2x? There are three formulas. You can use any formula in order to get the answer. For example, one of the formula of cosine 2x is cosine square x minus sine square x. This is first formula. The second formula is nothing but cosine 2 cosine square x minus 1. And third one is 1 minus 2 sine square x. These are the three formulas what we have. So basically, you can use the first formula also, second formula also, third formula as well. But over here, if you see, the value of sine is already given. So if I use the third formula, there is no need to find cosine or anything else, okay? So I'm using this formula and over here I'm using 1 minus 2 and there is sine square x. So the value of sine is 3 upon 5 and there is a square. You just need to put a square. And now just you need to solve and that is going to be the answer. Okay. So basically this is going to be 1 and then minus then 2 you are going to write. This is going to be 9 upon 25. Okay. And after that, this is going to make 1 minus 18 upon 25. Okay. Now you have to take the, LCM, right? Or the common denominator. So you need to multiply 25 here, 25 here. So that will become 25 upon 25 minus 18 upon 25. And this is going to make 7 upon 25. Okay. And this is going to be your answer. So this is how we have to solve. Now let us go to the second one. There is one more question what they're asking, that is tangent 2x. So in order to find tangent 2x, I can find sine 2x and then I can find cosine 2x because I know tangent is going to be the ratio of sine upon cosine. So if I need tangent 2x, I can find sine 2x upon cosine 2x. And if you see very carefully, I already have found cosine 2x. Now I just need to find sine 2x. So let us find sine 2x and let us try to solve this question. So when you find sine 2x, the formula is 2 times sine x into cosine x. Now let us put on this formula. So 2 times sine, when you are going to put sine x, the value is already given. That is going to make 3 upon 5. For cosine x, you need to use the triangle over here. So cosine is going to be adjacent over hypotenuse. And therefore my adjacent is going to be 4, okay? And my hypotenuse is going to be 5. And very carefully, you have to understand one more thing. Since the angle is lying in the second quadrant and you are finding cosine, so it has to be negative. because in second quadrant the sine and cosecant are positive, else everything when we talk about any trigonometric function they are actually negative. So this is what the value of cosine x is going to be. And now we are going to find sine 2x. Okay. So we are going to write 2 times 3 times 4. So 2 times 3 is 6. 6 times 4 is going to make negative 24. And 5 times 5 is going to make 25. Okay. This is how we need to write. Correct. And now we need tangent to x. So for finding tangent to x, we need to find sine 2x upon cosine 2x. Sine 2x, I know this is going to make 24 upon 25 and divided by cosine 2x, and cosine 2x is going to be 7 upon 25. This is going to make negative 20 upon 25 times 25 upon 7 because we reciprocate and the division sign will change into multiplication. 25 and 25 will cancel out and then we have negative 24 upon 7. That is your answer for tangent. Okay, so this is how you are going to solve this question. I hope you got the point. So you can watch the earlier videos as well where we are discussing different questions of double angle and trigonometric identities. Apart from this, if you are looking for an online tutor for US curriculum, then you can go to the website of Noble Learners. You can get the best tutors from India at the best prices who are from different IITs and prestigious institution. So thank you so much guys and have a great day ahead and see you with another concept. Thank you so much guys.